I know I didn't say part 2, but I'm looking really white, so I'm going to put some more blush. So, I know I didn't say
I would add some more bronzer on you too.
I know I didn't say a part 2. Okay, I know I didn't say part 2, but a little bit. She wants to put on my
Okay, guys, I'm gonna use some bubble.
I'm gonna put because I look white, so I know I didn't say part 2, but I'm gonna put it.
Are you just gonna white thing out?
Yeah, it looks pretty. Like this. Oh, it's still. This is the final look. I'll put it in 2 times speed.